Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be guiding you through the process on how you can show or hide the battery percentage on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. So start by opening settings, and in settings you want to scroll and select battery. Under battery, look for show battery percentage with the toggle next to it. So as you can see, mine is currently turned on, which means that the percentage appears on my status bar. But if I tap on the toggle and I disable it, then the percentage disappears from my status bar and I just have a battery icon that doesn't give me information about how much charge I have left on my phone. So it's up to you to decide if you want to enable or disable this option. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.